Hi guys, good morning or whatever time it is when you watch this video. Welcome back to my channel guys, and if you're new here, feel free to subscribe if you like, so you can be notified when I upload a new video. So as promised, I'm going to show you guys this quick and easy simple protective hairstyle. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair guys. Be sure to check out my wash day hair routine by clicking the I in the corner. Anyway, so let's get it started. Hey! So I start off by putting the part where I want it and then part it all the way down the back. Alright, so I'm just going to put away the half that I'm not working with to get it out the way. And then I'm just going to start K-ring it. So the aim is to try and keep the braids close to the front of your hair. Okay, so one side done and on to the next. Alright, so that is literally it guys. How quick was that? There are different ways you can do your ends. You can tuck and secure with pins, or just leave them down, or put it in a bun, whatever you feel like really. So I'm going to jazz mine up with some of these. And voila! That's it guys. Simple. Thanks for watching guys. Take care, God bless, and see you later.